Hey there, so I just wanted to make this quick video. If your S7 MaxV Ultra is not charging, what you can try to do. So first, clean the charging contacts, then clean the wheels and RAM to ensure proper alignment and prevent slippage. So move the charging robot to different location or outlet to avoid potential interference or faulty outlets. So try these things. You can perform a factory reset and observe the robot docking process. Ensure it recognizes the dock and starts charging. Manually push the robot onto the deck if it's necessary, if it's not like aligning with the dock. Now I also found this is like the error 13 charging error. So when you're gonna write into YouTube search Roborock S5 S6 charging error repair, and you're gonna write it right here in YouTube search. Try also what he's showing in this video, and maybe it's going to fix the issue for you also. And you can try it out. Maybe it's going to work. I just want to make this quick video that possibly this is going to fix it for you too. So have a great day and goodbye.